Đi thẳng xuống dưới lên kia là đi xuống River Walk đó.
Cái cầu đó.
Qua cầu. Đi bộ đi.
They have that president's
No, it's a...
Right here, Brandon.
Mà 8 mấy độ nắng lên là trăm để lại là 8.
You want to wait? I'm going to wait. I got some water. Just kidding. It's going to take 35 minutes. 35 minutes. No more. No less. Thermark life jackets. We have never ever had to use those on any boat during any tour. However, if we see an iceberg, we will probably get those out. This building was originally St. Mary's School for Boys. Now the school gradually throughout the years outgrew the building, moved out to West San Antonio. It's now known as St. Mary's Universal. Anybody staying at the Omni? Yeah. Yes. Did you know that Bill Clinton actually stayed there during his presidency with Hillary? We don't know for sure.
Oh, look at that shot.
It's true. It's living off tortilla chip crumbs and ducks. No, that's not true. What is true is right here in front of us. Walk directly through this high-end hotel, take you right up to the Alamo. The Alamo's on the other side. It's so close, in fact, they were worried about this hotel casting a shadow on the Alamo when they first built it. What they found was the maximum height that they could build this hotel was 16 stories tall. Now, if you want to count, there's exactly 16 stories up there. False advertising. We do not have a casino on the Riverwalk. Let's start off with a private social club. On the left-hand side, this is one of our mariachi bands. There's a restaurants down here, including an Italian place, a steak place, a Tex-Mex place, Alright, if you look on the right-hand left-hand side, just past these Texas flag umbrellas. He built the Riverwalk in 1929. He put his office right down there. And I, for one, am very thankful that we do not have to drive gondolas. And you guys probably are too if you hear me sing. I would hate to serenade anybody. We're going to hang a left here right now and take you guys back into the man-made portion of the river. As the name suggests, this was not naturally part of the river. We actually dug this part out 1968 for the World's Fair. Now, we're required to mention this building on the left with every tour. That's the Chamber of Commerce building. So there it is. Also on the right-hand side, if you look way back there, that is the very top of the Hemisphere Tower, sometimes called the Tower of Americas. Now there's also a bar up there too. The bar will also spin, but that only works for some people. That's Mike, he's another one of our drivers. Everyone say hi, Mike. Hi. Now both the Convention Center and the Lila Cockerel Theater here on the left-hand side, we're here for the World's Fair. Yeah. Convention Center Lagoon. If you're interested in going out to the Hemisphere Tower, you can actually walk directly through this little grotto area that's right here in front of us. Take you up some steps and right to the base of that tower, if you're interested. That's going to be the best selfie you take on this trip. I'd like to have rewarded whoever designed this thing someday. I'll try to little bump on the right-hand side. This is the Western Art Museum. We've got all kinds of Western themed artwork in there, as well as some pretty cool sculptures.
Look like a prom, maybe?
They say it's good luck to get married on that island, but bad luck to have prom pictures on that island. I don't have Christmas spirit. That was a Polar Express joke, in case you didn't catch it. This part in front of us, we actually dug out. This was not naturally here on the tour. You can pick up an application down there about 100 yards. Alright guys, is everyone confused about where you are on the Riverwalk at this point?
Phượng, chấm này ăn không? Chấm cái này nè. Wow, đứng bên trên. Ồ,